Good afternoon, dear students. I'm glad to see you again on our online lesson. Anita, how are you doing today?
It couldn't be better.
Nurali, what's new?
Nothing much.
Kirimir, do you like the weather today?
Yes, the weather is fantastic. The sky is clear and blue.
Kostya, how did you sleep?
I slept like alone.
Okay, so thank you, students. Now, students, our objectives of the lesson are: today you will learn how to develop the knowledge of the human body, how to improve your attention, memory and analytic skills, and how to develop your cooperation work. Before we start, I want you to warm yourself with some leading up riddles. For this task, you need a sheet of paper and a marker to write the answers. Do you have sheet of paper and marker?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so listen to the riddle and then you have 3 seconds to write your answer on the sheet of paper. After 3 seconds, you will raise your card so that I can check your answers. And then I will ask one of you to announce the answer. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So the first riddle. This is something that you might hold of a person that you love. When it is really cold outside, you might put it in a glove. Please, you have 3 seconds to write your answer. Students, raise your cards so that I can check. Okay. Nurali, what is your answer? Okay. Thank you. Kostya, can you announce the answer? What is it?
I don't know.
Aisha, what is it?
Hand and palm.
Hand or palm? Let us check. Yes, right you are. It is hand or palm is also a suitable answer. Okay, prepare the second sheet of paper and the next riddle is: you can see my humorous, but it doesn't mean I'm funny. I've got no skin, so I don't get tanned when outside is hot and sunny. 3 seconds to write your answers. Okay, raise your cards, let us check. Okay. Kirimet, Anita, do you know the answer? Anel, what is the answer?
Skeleton.
Let us check. Yes, right you are. It is a bone or a skeleton. And the next one is I'm something that helps you move, but I'm not a will, as I'm a part of your body with a soul and heel. 3 seconds. Raise your cards and show me the answer. Dinara, what is the correct answer?
The correct answer is the foot.
Let's check. Yes, as you can see in the picture, you are right. The correct answer is foot. Okay. thank you, students. Now I suppose you are ready to name me the theme of our lesson. Judging by the riddles you have done, what is the theme of the lesson?
Bones and joints. Skeletal system.
Let's check. Absolutely right. It is a skeletal system. Now, students, be attentive to listen to the theme of the lesson. So, skeletal system. Skeletal system has bones and joints. It is divided into two parts, an appendicular skeleton and an axial skeleton. Appendicular skeleton consists of shoulder girdle, upper extremities, pelvic girdle, and lower extremities. Axial skeleton consists of a skull, a sternum, vertebral column, and ribs. Now let us speak about the axial skeleton in details. The axial skeleton starts with a skull. Skull protects our inner ears, eyes, and our brain. The upper part of skull is called the cranium. A vertebral column consists of 33 or 34 vertebrae. Ribs connect the sternum with a vertebral column and form a breast or a chest. The upper 7 pairs of ribs are attached to the breastbone, and they are called true ribs. The next 3 pairs of ribs are held together at the end by soft cartilage, and they are called false ribs. And the lower 2 pairs of ribs are attached only to the muscular tissue, so they are called floating ribs. Now let us look at the appendicular skeleton in details. So upper extremities are connected to the appendicular skeleton via the shoulder girdle. Shoulder girdle consists of 2 scapulars and clavicle. The arm consists of humerus, radius, ulna, and the bones of wrist and hand. The hand consists of carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. Lower extremities are connected to the axial skeleton via the pelvic girdle. So pelvic girdle consists of 2 hip bones. The leg itself consists of a femur, patella or a kneecap, then tibia and fibula, and also the bones of ankle and foot. The foot consists of tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges. Now, students, you are ready to the primary acquisition of new knowledge. So, it will be through the true or false activity. For this task, students, please prepare your green and red card. Have you prepared a green and red card? Okay, yes, thank you. Yes. So green card is for true and red card is for false. Be ready that I will ask some of you to correct the false statements. Be ready for this. Let's go. Number 1, the skeleton system has bones and joints. Raise your cards. Is it true or false? Has bones and no joints. No joints. Okay, Arushan, can you correct this sentence?
The skeleton system has bones and joints.
Okay. And as you can see, you're right, it is false. Number 2, the upper part of skull is called the mandible. Please raise your cards. Is it true or false? Dinara? Okay. Yes, it's
The
false.
upper part of
Yilchan, correct the sentence.
The upper part of skull is called cranium.
Okay, next one. Number 3. A vertebral column consists of 24 vertebrae. Is it right or wrong? Okay, I will correct the sentence.
A vertebral column consists of 33 or 44 vertebrae.
Pardon? Anel, do you agree? I don't hear. I will. Did you say 43 or 33?
No, I said 33, 34.
Ah, okay. 33, 34. Thank you. So, and yes, you were right. It was false. Next one. The lower 2 pairs of ribs are called floating ribs. Is it true or false? Nurali? There are no comments here. Yes, it is true. The next one. Upper extremities are connected to the axial skeleton via the shoulder girdle. Is it true or false? Okay. Dinara is still thinking. Okay, let's check. It is true. Yes, you are right. It is true. Next one. The pelvic girdle is formed by 2 shoulder blades. Is it true or false? Raise the cards. Okay, and again, everyone agrees with the peers. Let's check. Yes, it is false. Yilshan, comment this statement. Correct it. Yilshan?
The pelvic girdle is formed by 2 hips.
2 hips, yes. And the last one. The foot consists of tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges. Raise the cards. Of true or false? Let's check. You're right. It is true. So thank you, students. And now we are ready for consolidation. So for this task, you need your copybook and a pen or a pencil because you're going to answer the questions. Have you prepared your copybooks and pens?
Yes.
Okay. You have 5 minutes to answer the following questions. What is our skeleton system made of? Does our skeleton have the 2 main parts? Does the sternum belong to the axial skeleton? Does the skull belong to the appendicular skeleton? How is the upper part of skull called? What do ribs connect? How are the upper 7 pairs of ribs called? What is connected to the axial skeleton via the shoulder girdle? Is the pelvic girdle formed by 2 hip bones? And does the foot consist of carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges? So 5 minutes to answer the questions. Okay, your time is over. And now I want you to assess yourself via the following descriptors. Look at the descriptors. general questions on the topic. For this correct point, you put 1 point. The second, I can give the explanations to general questions. It equals 1 point. Next, I can answer special questions on the topic. This statement equals 1 point. And the last descriptor, I have the correct spelling. So this descriptor equals 2 points. Now students, you have 3 minutes to check yourself, to assess yourself via these descriptors, and totally you must have 5 points. Now be ready to look at the keys. So these are the keys on the screen. Please check yourself and assess yourself. You have 3 minutes. So students, your time is over. Now please send to our chat the number of correct points you have in this task. Okay. Nurali has sent. What about the rest? Mm-hmm. 4 out of 5. Okay, 4 out of 5. Okay, thank you. Yes, it's a good result. And now we are ready for our reflection. Students, I want you to answer the following questions. Have we developed the knowledge of the human body during our lessons? Have we developed the knowledge of the human body? Just say yes or no.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, our aim is achieved. Have we improved attention, memory, and analytic skills?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we can.
Okay, and this aim is achieved as well. And the last one, have we developed cooperation work?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, the aim is achieved. Thank you. And our lesson is going to end, but before we finish, I want you to give me a feedback. Please, again, send to our chat smiles. The first one means that you understand the theme. The second means that you have questions. And the last one that you don't understand the theme. Please, you have 2 seconds to think and to send the smiles in our chat. Не поняла? Thank you, students, and don't forget to write down your home task. Your home task for the next lesson is to learn the theme skeletal system. Do you have any questions on the lesson?
No.
Okay.
No.
Then thank you for the lesson. Thank you for coming, for joining the lesson, and see you soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.